Welcome back to Cash Flow Secrets. If you're looking for easy ways to earn money online, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll be talking about typing jobs available online that can help you earn in USD without any complicated skills required. Whether you're a student trying to make some extra cash, a stay-at-home parent looking for a flexible source of income, or just someone who wants to earn money from their computer, these typing jobs could be the perfect opportunity for you. We're going to cover everything from transcription and data entry to captioning and virtual assistant work. I'll break down how each job works, how much you can expect to earn, and the best platforms to find these opportunities. So if you're ready to start cashing in on your typing skills, keep watching. Now, online typing jobs are some of the easiest and most flexible ways to make money. You don't need to be an expert typist or have years of experience. Just a reliable internet connection and a computer will do. Plus, many of these jobs pay in USD, meaning you can earn globally, no matter where you are. Imagine being able to work from the comfort of your own home, set your own hours, and earn money in a strong and stable currency. That's the beauty of these online typing jobs. It's all about having the freedom and flexibility to design a work-life balance that suits you. So, whether you're a fast typer or just average, don't underestimate the earning potential of these jobs. The demand for online typing services is only growing, with businesses and individuals alike realizing the convenience and cost-effectiveness of outsourcing these tasks. So, let's dive into some of the best typing jobs you can start today. The first type of typing job I want to talk about is transcription. Transcription jobs involve listening to audio or video files and typing out what you hear. This can include everything from podcasts and YouTube videos to interviews, meetings, and even medical and legal transcription. You might be transcribing a business meeting one day and a college lecture the next. It's a diverse field with plenty of options. One of the most popular platforms where you can start working as a transcriber is Rev.com. Rev.com is known for its user-friendly platform and consistent workflow. You'll find a variety of transcription jobs available, and you can choose the ones that interest you the most. You'll get paid per minute of audio transcribed, which is a great way to track your earnings. The pay ranges from 30 cents to $1.10 per audio minute, depending on the difficulty of the work. And the best part? You can work on your own schedule and take as many or as few jobs as you want. This is perfect for people with other commitments like students or stay-at-home parents. Other platforms for transcription jobs include TranscribeMe, GoTranscript, and Scribey. These platforms often have beginner-friendly options, making it easy for you to get started even if you're new to transcription. So, if you have a good ear for detail, can type accurately, and enjoy listening to different types of content, then transcription could be the perfect online typing job for you. Next, we have data entry jobs. These are one of the simplest typing jobs available online, making them a great option for beginners or anyone looking for a straightforward way to earn money. In data entry, you're typically entering information from one source to another. This could involve filling out spreadsheets with customer data, updating product information in a database, or transferring handwritten records into a digital format. If you're someone who enjoys working with numbers and data, has a keen eye for detail, and can maintain focus while working on repetitive tasks, then data entry could be a good fit for you. When it comes to finding data entry jobs, there are several great platforms to check out. Sites like Clickworker, Fiverr, and Upwork are excellent resources for finding a wide range of data entry gigs. You can browse through the available projects, choose the ones that match your skills and interests, and submit your proposals. Pay for data entry jobs varies depending on factors like the complexity of the project, the platform you're using, and your experience level. So if you're looking for a low barrier to entry online job that you can start quickly and easily, data entry is definitely worth exploring. Another easy typing job you can try is online surveys. While surveys don't always pay a lot, they're simple, quick, and can be done in your free time. It's a great way to earn a little extra cash while watching TV or waiting for an appointment. You can sign up with survey platforms like Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, or Swagbucks to start filling out surveys for money. These platforms partner with various companies and organizations that are looking for consumer opinions and feedback on products, services, and current events. The surveys cover a wide range of topics, so you're likely to find something that interests you. These sites typically pay in US dollars, and some even offer gift cards as a payout option. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more engaging than surveys, another job you might want to consider is content moderation. Content moderators work for companies to review and monitor user-generated content, ensuring that it follows community guidelines and doesn't violate any policies. As a content moderator, you'll be typing responses, reviewing text, images, and videos, and sometimes writing reports on flagged content. Mod Squad is a good site for finding content moderation jobs that pay well. So, if you have a strong sense of what's appropriate online, can remain objective while reviewing content, and have good communication skills, then content moderation could be a rewarding career path. Chapter 5. Captioning jobs. Captioning jobs are similar to transcription, but with a twist. Instead of just typing out audio, you'll be creating captions that appear alongside videos, making them accessible to a wider audience. This is a growing field, especially with the rise of YouTube videos, online courses, social media content, and the increasing demand for video content across all platforms. Sites like rev.com, which we mentioned earlier for transcription, and CrowdSurf offer opportunities for captioning. These platforms provide the tools and resources you need to get started, and you can often choose from a variety of projects based on your interests. If you enjoy watching videos and are good at typing quickly and accurately, this can be a fun way to earn money online. Pay for captioning jobs can range from 40 cents to $1.50 per video minute, depending on the platform and the complexity of the content. So if you're a movie buff, a YouTube enthusiast, or just someone who enjoys watching videos, captioning could be the perfect side hustle for you to earn some extra cash. Plus, you'll be making a real difference by making video content accessible to everyone. Chapter 6. Virtual Assistant Work. Let's talk about another fantastic typing job, virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you'll help business owners or individuals with various administrative tasks, freeing up their time to focus on more important aspects of their business or personal lives. These tasks can include managing emails, scheduling meetings, making travel arrangements, handling customer inquiries, creating presentations, and sometimes even writing content for websites or social media. Virtual assistant positions can be found on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. These platforms connect virtual assistants with clients from all over the world, providing a global marketplace for these services. Many VA jobs involve typing tasks like drafting emails or creating reports, so it's a great option if you're organized and detail-oriented. You'll be responsible for communicating with clients, managing schedules, and keeping track of important information, all of which require strong typing skills. One of the best things about being a virtual assistant is that you can often set your own hours and work from anywhere with an internet connection. This makes it an ideal job for people who value flexibility and independence in their work. Typically, virtual assistants earn anywhere from $10 to $25 per hour, depending on the complexity of the work and your experience level. So if you're a highly organized and efficient multitasker who enjoys helping others and thrives in a fast-paced environment, then becoming a virtual assistant could be the perfect career move for you. Chapter 7. Copy typing jobs. Finally, we have copy typing jobs. This is one of the most straightforward typing jobs available. You'll simply type out handwritten or scanned documents into digital form, creating clean and error-free digital copies. Companies, authors, students, and researchers are always looking for someone to transcribe their notes, books, manuscripts, or reports into a digital format. This could involve typing up meeting minutes, transcribing handwritten notes from lectures, or converting old documents into a searchable digital format. To get started, look for jobs on platforms like Freelancer, Guru, or People Per Hour. These platforms have a dedicated section for typing and transcription jobs, including copy typing gigs. Pay for copy typing jobs varies but can be around $8 to $20 per hour depending on the complexity and length of the work. If you're looking for a no-frills typing job that you can do from anywhere, copy typing is a great option. Plus, you can often find consistent work once you've built a good reputation on these platforms or with your clients. Those are just a few of the easiest online typing jobs that pay in USD. Whether you're interested in transcription, data entry, captioning, or virtual assistant work, there are plenty of opportunities for you to start earning money online today. Remember, you don't need to be a typing expert to get started. All you need is some time, dedication, and a desire to learn. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on how to make money online. And share this video with anyone you know who's looking to earn extra income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.